So I got a reply on this video, how to make burger with fufu, that I want to use this particular video to respond. So Tena Dover, one of my subscribers, said, nice video, can you show the blender that you used? I want to try it. Okay, let's go there. So Tena Dover, this is the blender that I used in that video. I realized when I saw this comment, I went back to look at the video. I realized that I didn't show the flour making process. So the video basically was about how to use bulgur wheat to make fufu, especially for those who are on weight loss management process, or for those that have high blood sugar level, and they don't want a spike, and they are fufu lovers like me. So I realized that was what I was focused on. So I'm going to use this video to actually show you. So at the time, I used Nutribullet. So Nutribullet did it for me. It took the bulgur wheat from its regular seedy, state to a flour state, and then I started, using it to make my fufu. Okay, so let me drop this here. Any good dry blender can still give you the result, but to answer your question specifically, I used Nutribullet. So that's why I'm showing you this here, Nutribullet. So this is not an advert, but I'm responding to Tena Dover's question. So I used Nutribullet. I have other brands of blender, especially the dry cup, and they do equally the same thing. But for that particular video, what I used was Nutribullet. So here I was demonstrating with brown rice. So I have all my bulgur wheat. I've already used them up to make flour. So what I had in CD form to demonstrate in this video was brown rice. So what is blending right now in this Nutribullet cup is brown rice. So here we have made a brown rice flour. Ta-da! Then from here you can bake, you can fry, you can use it to make fufu if you're a fufu lover just like me. So once you bring out your grains, your very healthy grains, once you make it into flour like this, then from here you can use it to. So that is it. It's as easy as that. So we're done. We're done. It's just as easy as that. So thank you so much for engaging in my videos. Keep the conversation coming. Keep the comments and the question coming. I'm glad you found time to watch and engage in my video. I really appreciate it. So any question you have, please drop them in the comment section. I will gladly respond, and if anyone needs a video like this, I will do that. So subscribe, and bye bye.